Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the size of your fonts within your text on KineMaster. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device and you may create a new project or continue editing from any of your old saved ones. Once you are inside the timeline menu, you can add your desired media from the media as well as the audio tab. You can also tap on layer in order to access text to add your desired text on your edit. After entering your text, tap on OK and then you can choose your font by tapping on the font option. From here, just choose your desired font and then tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Now your chosen font will be added to your text. In order to change the size, just tap on the resize option at the bottom right corner of this text and you can now tap and drag in order to increase or decrease the size. After achieving your desired size, you can also drag and place it wherever you wish within your edit. There are various other options such as animations, color, and transformation and blending as well. After achieving your desired effects, you can continue editing or add more text within your layer. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the size of your fonts within your text on KineMaster application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.